Schoology and Kami combine to make assessments faster to create and differentiate, and more accessible for everyone. Let me show you how. First things first, make sure your school admin has installed the Schoology external tool integration. This will give you access to Class View, Questions AI, Insights, and Assessment Mode. Now let's dive into creating a Kami assessment. Here's something I prepared earlier. You'll see I've used Questions AI to instantly create an auto-grading assessment. If you want to know how to do this, check out our Questions AI tutorial. I've also used Kami tools to add some scaffolds and some supports for my students here on the right. Now let's assign via Schoology. Head to the course page, click Add Materials and select Kami. In the Kami assignment window, I'm going to upload the assessment I created, but you can also choose a resource from Google Drive, OneDrive, the Kami library, or your own device. If it's an assessment that requires a more secure testing environment, you can select Assessment Mode. This will add a due date that will automatically submit all of the assignments once time is up. Students aren't able to unsubmit or access the assignments once they have been submitted, giving you more control. You can also set up feature control, which lets you choose which Kami tools students will have access to. There are also additional supports that we can put in place for students here. I'm going to turn off copy and paste for this one. Once you're happy with your assessment, sharing couldn't be easier. And that's it. Now, let's switch to the student's perspective. They'll go to the Courses tab, pick their course, and find the materials I've set up. Clicking this loads their Kami assignment within Schoology. I didn't set any limitations using feature control, so all the Kami tools are here on the left. This gives students voice and choice when completing their work. As a student, I'll answer some of the multiple choice questions and a short answer question. When students are done, it's another simple click of the big purple button, which is now the Submit button for students. They never have to go back to Schoology to turn their work in. Now the really cool stuff happens. While my students are working on their assignment, I can use Class View to monitor their work in real time. In Schoology, navigate to the Kami assignment and click the Open Class View button. Each of my students' work is organized in columns, with pages displayed in rows. At the top of each column are the students' names, assignment status, and a space to enter grades. Now, because I use Questions AI, all of the grading has been done automatically for me. You can manually change the grades and provide any additional feedback or encouragement with the Kami tools. Also, because I did an auto-grading assessment, I can use Answers View. You can see that a lot of the class is struggling with question 2, so I'm going to go up to the right-hand side and switch to Update All Student Copies. I'll add a link and a voice comment for extra support. Hey class, a lot of you seem to be getting confused about the second question. Please use the link below for more information. You'll see that Kami adapts to what you are doing to make everything super easy. Now, the big purple button has become Update All. So I'll click that, and every student's document has been automatically updated in real time. None of their work will be lost or changed. To get back to Class View, you just switch back in the top bar, and here we are. To return assignments, you can do this individually here, but I'm going to use that lovely purple button that is now Return All. Clicking this will do exactly that. Return all assignments, and all grades will auto-sync with your Schoology gradebook. For even deeper insights into student and class performance, you can click the Insights button. Here we see key metrics, including the top, median, and lowest scores. And that's it. Accessible, differentiated, and faster assessments thanks to Kami and Schoology. What are you going to do with the time you save?